Meta sent us another Quest 2. If you've missed that giveaway that's going on right now, I'll leave a link up in the corner over there somewhere to go enter. I'm wondering, is this gonna be another Oculus brand Quest 2, or is this gonna be the one with the Meta symbols on it? Let's find out. Now they've sent us a couple of these, and I'm kind of starting to think at this point, maybe one of the reasons they've been so generous in sending them is maybe they don't want to sell the ones that have the Oculus symbol on them anymore. And so they just send us all of the ones that have the Oculus symbol, and they only sell the Meta ones. Which is funny, because to me, if I had a choice, if I was in a store and I could choose which one I was gonna buy, I would buy the one that had the Oculus symbol on it. I just love the Oculus symbol. I think it looks way better than the Meta symbol. I think that it screams VR more than the Meta symbol does. Someone told me I need to start hanging this up this way, because if it's the other way, that means the country's at war. Had no idea. I have a sneaking suspicion this is gonna be another Oculus one if that's the case. Oh no, oh no. We're officially unboxing a Meta Quest 2. Oh boy. No. Other than that, other than the symbols and stuff, from what we understand, the box and the thing inside do look exactly the same. Okay, I swear when I did it with an Oculus one, that whole thing came off in one piece, but whatever. Meta Quest 2, and you can see it shows a Meta symbol right here when normally there's an Oculus. We'll get some close-ups so you can see the difference side by side. Oh. Meta Quest 2. It does hurt my feelings a little to see that, I'm gonna be honest with you. Oh, and everything. Meta Quest 2. Meta. Ugh. Ugh. Ugh, the Meta symbol. You know, I will give it this. The one place that I think it looks better, because it's dead center right here and it's not a word, it just looks like a symmetrical symbol. It actually does look a little better there to me. Is that it though? I believe that's most all the branding. Oh, does this mean Oculus is finally dead? Is it over? Did they even go as far as to change like the booklets and everything? Meta Quest 2. Meta Quest 2. Meta Quest 2. I just really at least hope the next headset, it's codenamed Cambria, so they probably won't release it under the name Cambria, but whatever it is, I hope it flows better with the word Meta, because Oculus Quest sounded good. Meta Quest 2, it just doesn't flow the same way. Well, beyond that, there's really not any difference. Everything else functionally is the same, it works the same. It just breaks your heart a little bit if you've been following Oculus as long as I have to see the change. But what can you do? Meta Quest 2. I think I'm just gonna leave it there. I got nothing else to say about it. You know my feelings if you've been with the channel for a while. I'm not gonna tear too far into this one because one of you lucky people is gonna win it. So check out that giveaway. If you haven't, make sure you get entered. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me. And have a Meta day.
God. Clickbait title, the saddest video I've ever made.